In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Premium Door Window Sensor SSHX5R0. This premium door window sensor is compatible with the ADT Smart Home Security basis and requires one 3-volt CR2 battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer or from ADT by calling 800-ADT ASAP. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery notification from the ADT Plus app. Additionally, a system issue alert will appear on your ADT Plus app dashboard. Tap the alert to view details about the issue. New battery, but still seeing a low battery warning? Make sure the battery is installed correctly. Now, let's get started. Make sure your system is disarmed. If your system is professionally monitored, put it in test mode before proceeding. This prevents the ADT monitoring sensor from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn more about test mode. To access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the sensor from its mounted location. Using the marking on the side as a guide, slide the sensor to the unlocked position, then lift it off the mounting bracket. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used battery. Insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end pointing toward the plus sign inside the device. Align the sensor over the mounting bracket and slide it on until it's in the locked position and clicks into place. After remounting the sensor, open the door or window. If it's working properly, you'll hear a chime. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Premium Door Window Sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT Smart Home Security devices and system, or to chat with us.